Booyah! What's happening, everybody? It's your boy KR. Oh my God. More great content, more great money making ideas here for you today. I want to welcome you to the 1K Daily System. This system is helping people to dump $1,000 per day into their account by simply asking other people one question. One question is putting $1,000 per day into people's pockets. Let's take a look at this. First of all, and foremost, I want to welcome you to 1K Daily. This is the 1K Daily System. You have just tapped into one of the easiest money-making opportunities on or offline today. Now, I'm going to hit you with this disclaimer because you really need to get this. The 1K Daily System and strategy was not designed. It was not designed for people who desire to work hard to make money. If you're somebody that want to work hard to make money, this is 100% not for you. This system was also not designed for people who do not like helping others to make money also. If you somebody that don't want to help other people to make money, this here is not for you, guys. The 1K Daily System was designed for people who would like to earn $1,000 or more daily by asking others if they would like to do the same. Imagine that. All you have to do is ask great people just like yourself if they would like to earn $1,000 per day. And we already know what the answer is going to be to that question. But this is how it works, guys. Can you ask a simple question? Can you ask one simple question? Can you ask 10 people per day one simple question? If you can do that, you can earn $1,000 or more per day with the answer to that question, because everybody is going to say yes. Now let's check out what the question is. This is mind-blowing, guys, because it's too simple. You cannot mess this up. Even if you're somebody that's not a good marketer, you're somebody that's a newbie, you're somebody that don't know how to post and do things, this simply works for everybody. Here's the question. Would you like to earn $1,000 or more per day? That's it. That's the question that you ask everybody. Now, there's two things that's going to happen when you ask that question. Number one, they will more than likely answer yes. Oh, yes, most definitely, I would love to earn $1,000 or more per day. Then the next thing they're going to do, never fails, they're going to ask you how. 100% of the people will say yes, right? That question will more than likely get you that yes answer. And then after you get that yes answer, they're going to ask you that one other question, how. In fact, everyone is going to ask you how, because that is something that people would love to be making, right? So when they say how, this is what you do. You simply answer by saying, you simply ask 10 other people the same question that I just asked you. Wait a minute. So you mean to tell me that all I have to do, think about this, guys, because some of you watching this are already saying, yeah, I would like to earn $1,000 per day. Yeah, how, right? So we know you're going to say how. When you say how, you simply come back and say by asking that same question to 10 people, by asking that same question to 15 people, by asking that same question over and over again daily, earning $100 payments directly into your account. That's it. That's it, guys. This simple yet effective strategy is only for the people that want to make money without all of the hype. We don't have to have a hyped up program. We don't need all of that. And we do not have to do a whole lot of hard work to make this money. How many of you guys would like to do this without hard work, right? Without doing a lot of hype and blowing stuff up? Just simply ask a question. That's probably everybody. This simple strategy and system is not for It's not, guys. It's not for people that want a complicated way to make money. If you're looking for something complicated, this is not for you, guys. We just want to make the money. This is not for people who are not willing to make money the easy way. If you're somebody that don't want to make easy money, this is not for you. This is not for people who do not want to make $1,000 or more per day. If you don't want to make $1,000 or more per day, this is not for you. This is not for people that do not want to make $1,000 per day by simply asking a question. Guys, this is crazy, guys. When I think about this and all of the things I've done over the years to make money, this is the easiest one I've ever came across and ever participated with, right? Now, is there a system attached to this powerful strategy? Well, of course it is. Me and my man Frank Salinas, we the $1 million tag team, guys. Frank, everybody know Frank Salinas. He's a great six-figure earner that's been out here banging for years. I got with Frank back in the early 2000s, and we've been making money ever since Enviralizer, guys, ever since the Enviralizer system. So now we're doing this. Let me read this. Yes, there's a powerful system attached. Myself, along with this guy you're looking at down here, Mr. Frank Salinas, have come together on a mission to create a financially free society of entrepreneurs. And not only is there a powerful system working in the background of that question, but it has been designed to generate thousands and thousands of dollars daily for everyone who simply taps in. The $100 page, that's what we call it, guys, because it's pumping $100 payments into your account over and over again, guys. Right? It is working. That's all I can say. It's working. The system is jam-packed with information and digital download products. So we're not just passing money around, but it's attached to a powerful system. 5 steps to success. Step 1, get back to the person that shared this video with you, this information, and set up your $100 page. It's super simple. Takes about, 2 minutes, if that. Right? Simply ask the question. Right? Ask your Facebook friends and family, hey, how would you like to make $1,000 a day by asking a simple question? Right? Respond with the answer, yes, I would. Right? Ask the most important question, how do you do it? That's what they're going to do. They're going to say, yes, I would like to do it, and how? Right? And when they do that, just simply respond by telling them that they're going to ask others that same question that caught their eye, that same question that has them making $100 over and over again, that same question that has them hitting $1,000 per day. That's it, guys. Once they say yes, they want in, send them your $100 link. Just send them the link to get set up. They're going to pay you $100. Look how the money is coming in from a simple question, man. Step number 5, once they have set up their system, send them the membership link. Once the system is in place, they get their membership link. That's it, guys. You're set. You're ready to go. You're receiving $1,000 or more per day, and it's going to be hitting your bank account. Let's take a look at a little strategy here, guys. It just simply works. I don't know what to tell you. This is something you can't complicate. That's what we want, things that can't be complicated. By simply asking 5 people this question per day, that's $500 per day. Let me show you the power. That's $500 a day from just asking 5 people that question. That's $3,500 per week, which is $14,000 per month. How would you like to make an extra $14,000 per month by simply asking someone a question? This is crazy, guys. $14,000 per month by simply asking other people if they would like to make $1,000 per day. What if you ask 10 people that question per day? That's $1,000 per day, which is what we're doing, the 1K daily. That's $7,000 per week, $28,000 per month by simply asking the question. Man, come on. Quit playing. What if you ask 15 people this question? That's $1,500 per day, $10,500 per week, $42,000 per month. $42,000 per month without having to leave home, without having to go work a job, just by asking others a question, how would you like to make $1,000 per day? What if you did 20 questions per day? Guys, now come on now. These numbers are crazy. That's $2,000 per day, $14K per week, $56,000 per month. I'm going to sit back on that. $56,000 per month by asking a simple question that's attached to a powerful system. We've done it, guys. I'm done. I don't even have anything to say. So get back to the person that shared this information with you. Get ready to ask that question and make that money with that answer that they give. This your boy KR, along with my man I just showed you, my man Frank Salinas down there, that has created the $100 page. Guys, we are killing this thing at the 1K Daily System. I want to welcome you in advance because I know you're coming. This is too easy. I know you're coming, so I don't have to worry about it. I want to welcome you in advance to the 1K Daily System. This your boy coming to you live and direct out of Chi-Town. Your boy KR. Let's get this money, guys. See you on the inside of 1K Daily. Peace.